Hello, I'm Jaquay Blair, and I will be presenting on the Gate Games for the Sport Around the World Part B. The Gate Games was founded by Dr. Tom Waddell, an American Olympic decathlete, in 1982. Waddell envisioned an exclusive event where athletes, regardless of sexual orientation, gender, or physical ability, could participate and celebrate diversity. The inaugural Gate Games took place in San Francisco, California, featuring 1,350 athletes from around the world. Initially called the Gay Olympics, the event was renamed after a lawsuit from the International Olympic Committee, also known as the IOC. The Gay Games is organized by the Federation of Gay Games, which is also known as the FGG, a volunteer-led organization that oversees event planning, upholds its mission of inclusion, and selects the host city for each edition. The FGG collaborates with local organizing committees and host cities to execute the event successfully. The Gay Games are held every 4 years, similar to the Olympic cycle, in cities with strong LGBTQ+ communities and supportive infrastructures. Previous host cities include San Francisco, New York City, Amsterdam, Sydney, Cologne, Paris, and Hong Kong. The upcoming edition, Gay Games 12, will be hosted in Valencia, Spain, between June 27th to July 5th, 2026. Since its inception, the Gay Games has grown significantly, with recent editions featuring 10,000 to 12,000 athletes from over 70 countries, making it comparable in size to the Olympic Games. The event includes a diverse range of sports such as track and field, swimming, tennis, soccer, basketball, cheerleading, dance, and esports. Additionally, the Gay Games host a cultural festival celebrating LGBTQ+ culture through concerts, art exhibitions, and performances, attracting participants from diverse backgrounds, including heterosexual allies. The Gay Games welcomes all individuals, regardless of sexual orientation, gender identity, or ability, promoting inclusivity and participation from amateur athletes to elite competitors, and no qualification requirements. Spectators are equally diverse, comprising members of the LGBTQ+ community, allies, friends, family, and sport enthusiasts, fostering a sense of community and belonging. Recent editions have attracted attention from mainstream sports media and activists advocating for LGBTQ+ rights globally. In recent years, the Gay Games has gained more media attention with coverage from major international outlets like the BCC, the CNN, the New York Times, and ESPN. Coverage focuses on both sporting achievements and events' social cultural impact on the LGBTQ+ rights and visibility. Digital and social media platforms play a significant role in amplifying the event's reach through live streams, athlete interviews, and behind-the-scenes content. The Gay Game receives support from corporate sponsorships from companies committed to diversity and inclusion. Past sponsors include Coca-Cola, Nike, Visa, and Airbnb, whose contributions help cover the event's organizational costs and reinforce corporate support for the LGBTQ+ rights. Many brands leverage the event to showcase their commitment to equality through targeted advertising and promotional campaigns. The event features an official merchandise licensing program, including branded sportswear, accessories, and memorabilia. This program allows companies to create co-branded products that emphasize the values of the Gay Games. Some editions also offer limited edition items such as Pride-themed apparel, available both online and at the event. Getting into the fun facts. Fun facts number 1. Founded during the AIDS crisis, the Gay Games became the vital platform for the LGBTQ+ community to celebrate life and promote acceptance. A significant event was the Pink Game Flamingo Aquatics Show, featuring the red ribbon formation in the water to honor those with AIDS. Volunteers also distributed safe sex materials and condoms to raise public awareness. Fun fact number 2, the Gay Games is the largest sporting and cultural event worldwide, open to all competitors without qualifications. In 1992 and 1996, the Games even surpassed the Olympics in participant numbers. Fun fact number 3, the 1994 Gay Games in New York City coincided with the 25th anniversary of the Stonewall riots. In his closing address, Sir Ian McKellen encouraged LGBTQ+ individuals to come out, stating, "The journey isn't complete until everyone can participate in the joy of honesty. We all march forward together." Thank you for listening.